You get paid, you pay rent, you buy groceries, and somehow all the money is gone. Sound familiar? You're not bad with money. Nobody ever taught you how to budget, and that's exactly what this video fixes right now. The problem is most people try to budget by just guessing. They think I'll spend less this month, and it never works. Why? Because guessing isn't a system, and without a system, money disappears every single month. Here's the harsh truth. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will go somewhere you don't want. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you a dead simple budgeting system that works even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. No complicated spreadsheets, no apps you'll forget to open. Just 5 clear steps and real numbers you can copy right now. Step 1. Know your real income. Before you budget a single dollar, you need to know your actual take-home pay. Not your salary, not what you earn before taxes, the number that hits your bank account. If you get paid twice a month, add both checks. If your income changes each month, use your lowest recent paycheck as your base. Always budget from the floor, not the ceiling. Step 2, the 50-30-20 rule, simplified. Here's the simplest budgeting framework in the world, and it works on any income. Take your monthly take-home, split it into 3 buckets, 50% to needs. Rent, food, transport, bills, the stuff you must pay, 30% to wants. Eating out, subscriptions, shopping, the stuff that feels good but isn't required. 20% savings and debt. Emergency fund, debt payments, future you. Let's say you make $1,500 a month. That means $750 for needs, $450 for wants, $300 for savings. Simple as that. Step 3. What if 50% doesn't cover your needs? This is where most low-income budgets break down. Your rent alone might eat 60% of your paycheck. That's okay. If your needs cost more than 50%, adjust the wants category first. Cut 30% down to 15% or even 10%. Never sacrifice savings completely. Even $20 a month builds the habit. The habit matters more than the amount right now. But think of it this way. A cracked foundation is still a foundation. You can fix the cracks later, but you can't build without something underneath. Step 4. Budget your paycheck. Every time. Here's the habit that changes everything. The day your paycheck hits, spend 5 minutes doing this. Write down your income. Write down your fixed expenses. Rent, loan payment, phone bill, what's left. That's your flexible money. Then assign every dollar a job before the week starts. Groceries, $200. Transport, $80. Fun, $50. The rest goes straight to savings or debt. This is called zero-based budgeting. Every dollar has a name. When money has a name, it doesn't disappear. It goes where you sent it. Step 5. Track, adjust, repeat. Your first budget will be wrong. That's not failure. That's data. At the end of week 1, look at what you actually spent. Did groceries go over? Cut something from wants next week. Did you have money left? Add it to savings. After 3 months of this, your budget will fit your life like a second skin. The tool? You can use a simple notes app, a paper and pen, or a free Google Sheet. The tool doesn't matter. The habit does. Here's the one budgeting tip that separates people who build wealth from people who don't. The moment your paycheck arrives, move your savings amount first, before rent, before food, before anything else. Even if it's just $25, move it to a separate account, an account you don't check. You will naturally adjust your spending around what's left. This works because it removes choice. No choice means no temptation. That's the full system. Here's your challenge. Before you sleep tonight, write down your monthly income and your top 5 expenses. That's it. That's your first budget draft. If this video helped you, comment the word budget below. I read every single one. Subscribe, because every week we drop one more video that puts more money back in your pocket. See you in the next one.